Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best ink cartridge choices on the market, the EPSON 410 Claria Premium Ink. Known for its exceptional quality and reliability, this ink is a top pick for those looking to enhance their printing experience. The EPSON 410 Claria Premium Ink cartridges are designed for use with a range of EPSON Expression premium printers, including the XP530, XP630, XP640, XP7100, and XP830 models. They come in a combo pack featuring high-capacity black and standard color cartridges, ensuring you get both quality and quantity in your prints. These cartridges are perfect for both everyday printing and high-quality photo output. They deliver sharp text and vibrant colors, making them ideal for a variety of printing needs, from documents to photographs. Archival quality photos that last over 200 years in an album, thanks to Claria Premium Ink technology. High-capacity cartridges that are excellent for high-volume printing, reducing the frequency of replacements. Compatibility with a range of EPSON printers, ensuring ease of use and consistent performance. To wrap it up, the EPSON 410 Claria Premium Ink cartridges stand out as the best choice for anyone looking to upgrade their printing experience. Whether you're a home user or a small office, these cartridges offer superior print quality, longevity, and value for money. Don't hesitate to invest in these if you own a compatible EPSON printer. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Stay tuned for more product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique. Until next time.